Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 RS5. Don't think too hard. That's the key with the Audi RS5. Just get in and drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.